Hey guy, today I thought I would spend some time repainting my hardtop on my Miata for the first time, trying out my new paint gun, and also it's a first time experience, so we'll hopefully learn a lot of stuff. So follow me and we'll learn them together. All right, so we got this painted. First time, there's still little minor paint imperfections and so forth, but it's okay. It's a first try on our painting, so looks better than no paint at all. We can try again next time, but we learned a lot. So I don't know what's the next thing is. Next thing, we may redo some of the front bumper there to repaint that, but all in all, it was a good experience. So